Remember this before you sleep. Conversation is not about showing perfect English. Conversation is about connection. You speak because you want to reach another person. You ask because you want to understand. You say thank you because someone helped you. You say sorry because you are human. You say please because respect matters. Small words can carry big feelings. Small phrases can build confidence. Tonight, let these simple conversation words rest in your mind. Tomorrow, when English comes to you in real life, maybe one sentence will rise softly from your memory, and that one sentence may be enough to begin.